Peppa's crazy new car adventure. It's a quiet morning at Peppa's house. Everyone feels a little bored. Mummy Pig has an idea. Let's go to the amusement park. Uh-oh, what was that sound? The car is shaking. Oh dear, the car won't move anymore. Wow, so many cars. Maybe it's time for a new one. A dinosaur car. Fun, but too wild. The red car looks fancy, but too small for everyone. The big bus is trying, but it can't make it up the hill. Look, their old red car is all fixed, shiny and new again. Peppa's family drives home, happy, together, and full of giggles. Peppa's Dinosaur Park Adventure. Today, Peppa and her family are visiting the dinosaur park. Peppa's family is visiting the dinosaur museum. George is surprised, and Peppa is laughing with joy. Peppa's family discovers a special robot dinosaur. It can repeat everything you do. Yahoo! George tries a move. Wow! The robot dinosaur copies him exactly. Daddy Pig starts to dance happily. The robot dinosaur dances too. Peppa's family sees a giant dinosaur. It looks just like a giant slide. Peppa's family climbs up the dinosaur, then slides down together with joy. George slides down first, while Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig cheer happily. Peppa's family had a wonderful day at the dinosaur museum. They all laugh together and shout, "Peppa Pig!" Baby Evie's first picnic. It's a sunny morning at Peppa's house. And baby Evie is ready for a big day. Today, the family is going on a picnic. Daddy Pig is carrying the basket, and Mummy Pig is pushing the shiny stroller for baby Evie. Evie's very first picnic. Hee hee! The family sets off on their picnic adventure. The park is full of wonders for baby Evie to discover. The park is alive. Ducks splash and quack. The ducks go quack, quack, and Peppa and George chase after them. It's picnic time. Mummy Pig spreads the cloth and brings out the yummy food. The blanket is full of treats, crunchy sandwiches, sweet fruits, fresh juice. A little bee buzzes closer, curious about baby Evie. Buzz, buzz. The curious bee hovers and then plops down on Daddy Pig's nose. Oh dear, the bee tickles Daddy Pig's nose. Achoo! The sandwiches go flying everywhere. Huh? What a lovely day! Baby Evie's first picnic is full of fun and giggles. Dress up for Halloween! Tonight, Peppa has a magical Halloween surprise. Peppa is ready to dress up for Halloween. Which costume will she choose?
Wow!
George is a brave pirate. What a spooky Halloween duo! Look at her go! Flying high on her magic broomstick. The pumpkin basket is glowing. The magic pumpkin is glowing brighter. And now, look! Candies burst out like a rainbow fountain. Candies sparkle through the air. Peppa the Witch and George the Pirate are having the sweetest night ever. But wait, what's bubbling inside the magic cauldron? The magic cauldron is bubbling. But wait, that's not bubbles. Golden chocolate is bursting everywhere. Oh no, the cauldron explodes, turning the garden into a chocolate wonderland. Peppa and George dive into a colorful Halloween adventure, full of laughter and surprises. Evie Pig learns to swim. Today, Peppa and her family are going swimming. Evie Pig is coming too. Daddy Pig is blowing up the swim ring. Peppa jumps into the pool with a big splash. She's so happy dancing around in the water. George is swimming with his float. Splish, splash. He loves kicking in the water. Evie Pig isn't sure about the water yet. With Daddy's help, Evie Pig tries floating with a floaty. Evie Pig is swimming! Everyone cheers! Splash, splash, splash! Mummy Pig gently shows Evie how to kick her legs. Evie tries, and she's smiling! Peppa loves the pool slide. She climbs up, ready to splash down. Evie Pig has learned to swim. What a wonderful splashy day! The giant hamburger. Wow, look at that giant hamburger! It's stacked so high with cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. George thinks it's taller than him. Peppa climbs on top. Oh dear, the burger is wobbling? She's covered in cheese now. And now George dives in. Oh no, they're trapped inside the burger layers. Look at them, squashed between the yummy layers. Suddenly, the whole kitchen is filled with hamburgers. Daddy Pig looks around in shock. The whole kitchen turns into a giant hamburger pool. Peppa rides a lettuce leaf and paddles across the burger pool. And George rides on a giant tomato slice, floating like a boat in the burger pool. Look, Daddy Pig is floating on a cucumber slice. What a silly, tasty adventure with the giant hamburger. Giant rainbow donut. Today, Peppa and George are making a giant rainbow donut. First, they mix the flour and sugar. Peppa pours in red, blue, yellow, and purple colors. George stirs it all together. Look, the dough turns into a sparkling rainbow mix. They pour the colorful batter into a giant donut pan. Now it's time to bake our giant rainbow donut. Look, our rainbow donut is getting bigger and puffier. Oh! Wow! A giant rainbow donut is ready! Let's decorate it with sprinkles and cream. Whoa! Peppa and George have baked the most gigantic magical rainbow donut in the world! Super spooky ghost train. It's Halloween night, and Peppa's family is going to ride the super spooky ghost train.
Ghost train.
At the station, everyone is ready. But the ghost train makes a funny sound. Woo! Everyone is ready for the Halloween ghost train. Woo! The pumpkins light up, and Peppa and her friends climb aboard with big smiles. The train chugs into the dark forest. Spooky sounds everywhere, but Peppa thinks it's funny. The ghost train sets off. Pumpkins glowing, wheels turning, and Peppa and her friends cheer with excitement. The ghost train rattles past the spooky house. Bats swoop, shadows flicker. The ghost train is full of laughter, candies, and friends. What a spooky, happy night! Peppa's pool slide fun! It's a sunny day. Peppa's family's gonna swim. The Peppa family are getting ready to change into their swimsuits. It's almost pool time. The Peppa family are all ready now. Everyone's wearing their swimsuits. Time to have some fun by the pool. Let's go swimming together.
Yes!
Peppa's ready to jump into the pool. Now it's George's turn. Oh, Pony's jumping already. Peppa and Pony are having so much fun in the pool. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are relaxing in the sun. Peppa and George are getting ready to slide down. They can't wait to splash into the pool. Pony is at the top of the big slide. He's ready to go. Yahoo! Peppa and George are at the top. They're ready to slide down. What a fun day at the pool. Peppa and her friends love swimming together.